Hello friends, welcome to my data structure and algorithm series. So I have built this series mainly for data engineer and data analyst. First begin with why a data engineer and data analyst should know the data structure and algorithm. First is why so, data structure and algorithm mainly develop logical thinking, right? So it develop logical thinking to solve any problem, right? And second is in any good product based or service based company, you will surely get one or two question on data structure and algorithm. So it is important with interview perspective also. That is in your real time project, sometimes you will get chance to apply these techniques. So it will help you in your project also. So first begin with what is data structure and algorithm? What is DSA, right? So begin with data structure. If anyone will ask me what is data structure, I would say it is it is a way to organize your data. It is a way to organize your organize the data. And what are the different types? Array, linked list, stack, queue. So these are the different type of data structure. Now, what is algorithm? Algorithm is a way to solve a particular problem. It is a way to solve a particular problem. Okay, and I will give you some simple example of you know um, searching algorithm, right? So what are the searching algorithm? You must have heard of this searching algorithm, linear search, binary search, right? Linear search, binary search. There are some sorting algorithm also. Quick sort, bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort, bubble sort, merge sort, and many more. So now I hope you understand the high level and understand you have high level understanding of what is data structure and what is algorithm, right? And this topic I will cover in my upcoming videos. I will give you the theoretical knowledge as well as I will um, do the coding, like uh, hands-on knowledge also I will provide to you. So please follow my upcoming video, and thank you so much.